Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone update that's stuck on preparing. So first, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. It's also a good idea to connect your iPhone to a charger while the update is preparing. Next, check that you have enough free storage. For that, you need to go to Settings, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. And if you're running low, free up some space and try update again. And if the update still appears stuck, then try restarting your iPhone. After restarting, go back to Settings, General, and Software Update. If you see the update again, try downloading it once more. And you need to avoid repeatedly forcing your iPhone to shut down while an update is actively installing. And if the update remains stuck after these steps, then you may need to use a computer or contact Apple support for further assistance. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.